ILDFA rapidly removes large spills through the floor, into trenches, and to underground containment. After a spill, the integrated flushing system assists in cleanup by moving residual fuel through the floor channels toward trenches. The ILDFA floor is divided into zones, each with its own dedicated liquid sensor and solenoid valve. Liquid from that zone flows to a sensing trench at the end of the floor channels, where the liquid sensor identifies where the spill is occurring. The sensor then signals the control panel, which opens that zone's solenoid valve. Water is then introduced into the floor channels through the flushing manifold. In the worst case, a spill can occur at the intersection of 4 zones, causing all 4 to activate at once, driving the system's maximum water demand, shown here. Because the required flow rates are so low, the flushing system can often be supplied directly from the facility's domestic water system. The system's required pressure, shown here, can easily be met with a small booster pump where the domestic line falls short, substantially reducing the water infrastructure required by legacy systems. For more, see the design guidelines on our website or contact Safespill.